Ready to fuel your investment journey and watch your portfolio blossom with Vanguard. Let's dive into all the ways you can add money to your Vanguard account and accelerate your wealth building. First, let's explore electronic transfers. The most common and convenient method: log into your Vanguard account on their website and navigate to the My Accounts tab, usually found at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Buy and Sell, or a similarly worded option that leads to transaction functionalities on the next screen. You should see Contribute to an account or Transfer money. Select that. Here, you'll choose the Vanguard account you wish to fund. Select it from the drop-down. Next, choose your funding source. If you've already linked your bank account, it will appear as an option. If not, you'll need to add your bank account details by providing your routing and account numbers. Follow the prompts to securely verify your bank account, then enter the amount you want to deposit and review the details carefully before submitting. Vanguard may require a two-step verification for added security. Now, let's talk about depositing checks. Make the check payable to Vanguard. Writing your Vanguard account number clearly on the memo line. Obtain a deposit slip, if available, from Vanguard, or simply mail the check to the address specified on Vanguard's website for check deposits. Remember to keep a copy of the check for your records. Vanguard may offer other deposit options, such as wire transfers. Check their website or contact their customer service for details on these alternative methods. Funding your Vanguard account regularly, no matter the amount, is key to long-term investment success. Explore these deposit options and choose the ones that best fit your needs to consistently grow your portfolio.